The world of blockchain technology is constantly evolving. New projects emerge, each promising to revolutionize the way we use and interact with digital assets. One such project generating significant buzz is BlockDag, or BDAG. Currently in its final pre-sale phase, BlockDag has already attracted substantial attention from investors. With ambitious goals and innovative technology, BlockDag aims to become a leading player in the blockchain space. The project has raised over $219.5 million and sold 19.4 billion coins. This enthusiastic response suggests strong confidence in BlockDag's potential. But is this excitement justified? This essay will delve into the specifics of BlockDag, examining its technology, potential for profit, and the risks involved. We'll explore the short-term, mid-term, and long-term prospects for BlockDag, providing a comprehensive analysis of its potential to become the next big thing in the blockchain world. At the heart of BlockDag's value proposition is its unique technology. BlockDag employs a hybrid architecture that combines directed acyclic graphs, or DAG, with the proof-of-work consensus mechanism. This combination offers several advantages over traditional blockchain structures. Firstly, it allows for significantly faster transaction speeds. Unlike traditional blockchains, where transactions are added to the chain one block at a time, BlockDag's structure enables parallel processing of transactions. This parallel processing translates to higher throughput and scalability. Secondly, the DAG structure reduces transaction fees, making BlockDag more cost-effective for users. This combination of speed, scalability, and low fees makes BlockDag particularly well-suited for decentralized finance applications and the growing world of blockchain gaming. Furthermore, BlockDag is designed to be compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM. This compatibility opens up a world of possibilities for developers, as they can easily port existing Ethereum-based applications to the BlockDag ecosystem. Predicting the price of any asset, especially in the volatile cryptocurrency market, is a complex task. However, we can make some educated guesses based on available information and market sentiment. For the short term, defined as the remainder of 2025, BlockDag's price will likely be driven by the success of its mainnet launch and subsequent listings on centralized exchanges. If the launch goes smoothly and the planned CEX listings materialize, we could see BlockDag's price rise to between 2.5 cents and 3.5 cents. This optimistic scenario assumes that the current positive sentiment surrounding the project continues. However, more cautious predictions suggest a range of 1.4 cents to 2 cents for 2025. These predictions factor in potential market volatility and the possibility of unforeseen challenges during the initial launch phase. A more realistic range for the short term might be between 2.5 cents and 4 cents, considering the current pre-sale price and potential market fluctuations. Looking ahead to the midterm, which we'll define as the first half of 2026, BlockDag's price will likely be influenced by its ability to deliver on its roadmap and attract developers to its ecosystem. Key milestones to watch for include the implementation of staking, onboarding of validators, and traction in terms of dApp development and adoption. If BlockDag successfully achieves these milestones, we could see its price rise to between 5 cents and 7 cents. This growth will be driven by increased network security, decentralization, and utility. However, it's important to note that these mid-term predictions are contingent on BlockDag maintaining its current momentum and executing its roadmap effectively. Failure to meet key milestones could result in a price correction. Section 5. Long-term vision reaching for the stars. The long-term potential of BlockDag from late 2026 onwards is perhaps the most exciting yet also the most uncertain. If BlockDag can establish itself as a preferred Layer 1 solution for scalable and cost-effective blockchain applications, its price could soar above 10 cents. This optimistic scenario envisions a future where BlockDag is widely adopted by developers and users alike, becoming a cornerstone of the decentralized internet. By 2026, some optimistic predictions place BDAG at 1.48 cents. However, more realistic projections suggest a range of 0.00045 to 0.9 cents, acknowledging the significant hurdles that BlockDag must overcome to achieve mainstream adoption. By 2030, The most optimistic predictions reach as high as 0.983 cents, while a more likely range sits between 0.000035 and 0.84 cents. It's crucial to remember that these long-term predictions are highly speculative and depend on numerous factors, including market sentiment, technological advancements, and regulatory developments. Section 6. Risks and Concerns. Navigating Uncertainty. While BlockDag holds significant promise, it's crucial to acknowledge the risks and concerns surrounding the project. One primary concern is the lack of transparency regarding BlockDag's tokenomics and governance model. Investors need clear information about how BDAG tokens will be distributed, their utility within the ecosystem, and how the project will be governed in the long term. Greater transparency in these areas would foster trust and confidence among potential investors. Another risk stems from the competitive nature of the blockchain industry. BlockDag faces competition from numerous other projects vying for market share. To succeed, BlockDag must differentiate itself from the competition, not only through its technology but also through its community building, marketing efforts, and ability to attract developers and users. Section 7. Strengths and Opportunities, a solid foundation. Despite the risks, BlockDag also boasts several strengths and opportunities. Its hybrid architecture, combining the advantages of DAG and POW, positions it well to address the scalability and cost limitations of many existing blockchains. This technological advantage could be a significant driver of adoption, particularly in areas like DeFi and blockchain gaming where speed and low fees are paramount. Furthermore, BlockDag's EVM compatibility is a major asset. This compatibility lowers the barrier to entry for developers who can leverage their existing skills and knowledge to build on BlockDag. This could lead to a rapid expansion of the BlockDag ecosystem, attracting more users and driving up demand for BDAG tokens. Moreover, the current low price of BDAG, coupled with the project's ongoing pre-sale bonuses and buyer battles, presents an attractive entry point for potential investors. Section 8. Competition. A crowded playing field. The blockchain space is becoming increasingly competitive, and BlockDag is not alone in its pursuit of becoming the next big thing. Several other projects, each with its own strengths and weaknesses, are vying for a piece of the pie. Dragoin, for instance, focuses on privacy and security, while Web3 AI aims to integrate artificial intelligence into blockchain technology. Unstaked offers a unique approach to staking, and Cold Wallet provides secure offline storage solutions for crypto assets. Other projects like Solaxi, BTC Bull Token, and Mind of Pepe offer varying features and potential returns. Investors need to carefully research and compare these alternatives, considering factors such as technology, team, community, and market opportunity before making any investment decisions. The key is to identify projects with genuine long-term potential and not just chase short-term hype. Section 9. Conclusion. Weighing the potential of BlockDag. BlockDag presents a compelling case as a potential investment opportunity. Its unique hybrid architecture, ambitious roadmap, and strong community support position it well for future growth. The short-term price predictions suggest potential for significant returns, while the mid-term and long-term outlooks hinge on BlockDag's ability to deliver on its promises and navigate the competitive blockchain landscape. However, investors must also be aware of the risks involved. The lack of transparency regarding tokenomics and governance is a concern that needs to be addressed. Furthermore, the success of BlockDag is not guaranteed, and investors should be prepared for the possibility of setbacks and market volatility. As with any investment, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Thoroughly research BlockDag and its competitors before making any investment decisions. Ultimately, the decision to invest in BlockDag depends on your individual risk tolerance, investment goals, and belief in the project's long-term vision.